Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an almond tree at home like this one. This one is 4 months after sprouting, and the only thing you need are almonds. Natural raw almonds like these. Not roasted, not with salt. Natural raw almonds. You can get it in any supermarket. And it's something very easy to do. It takes some time, but it's very easy, very fun. And I want to show you how to do it. So take a look. The first thing to do is put the almonds in water and let them soak for 1 or 2 days. I left the almonds 2 days in water. This is what they look like. And what I'm going to do is just take off this little skin in this end. So you take out the skin for the roots to grow easier, to get out easier. Now I have here a bunch of almonds, and now I use a plastic recipient. I put some napkins, 2 napkins in the bottom. Then I put the almonds on top, separate them a little bit, and then I spray them with the first round of water. Then I put 2 more napkins on top. I put more water. And then I cover it. And I put the date. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. It's gonna stay here for around 2 months, and occasionally I check it to see if it is creating mold and how are the roots developing. So this is 1 month after having the almonds in the refrigerator, and we can see that some of them are creating some mold. So you should check occasionally, and if it creates mold, you can try to clean the mold from the almonds. And eventually you can save some almonds, and also change the paper occasionally. Change the paper, put again water, and you can keep it clean. After 2 months, the almonds are ready. They already developed roots, so let's take a look. Some almonds developed mold and I put them away. Some of them just developed a little bit of mold and I cleaned them. And we can see that we have some of them that developed big roots. For example, this one over here. Also this one. And this one over here. And some of them developed small roots. It's not fully grown. Next step, put them on soil, on potting soil. I use 2 plastic cups. One of them I put the soil and I put holes in the bottom for the water to drain. And the other cup I put something inside. I use clay balls, you can use something else. To make some space between the cups for the excess water to fall down. Just make a little hole and put the root pointing down. Don't squeeze it, do it gently. Cover mainly the root and leave the almond a little bit outside. spray it with some water. And that's it. Press it down gently. And also put the date and the name of the plant you have over here. You can put it in a bright place. It doesn't need direct sunlight until it didn't develop any leaves, any plants. And let's wait and see. Here we are, 9 days after putting the almonds on soil, and we already have little baby almond trees. So this one already has a tree sprouting. This one also has a bigger tree sprouting. This one still does not have, but here you go. This is how you make a tree from an almond. And here, this is the almond tree 4 months after sprouting. It grew a lot. One of them never sprouted, one of the almonds. One of them didn't make it, and I think it was because I transplanted when it was too small. I should have waited a little bit before transplanting. But this one grew very well, and it is very beautiful tree. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up on the video. See you and bye-bye.